This is one of it as well, which is the SLN cars up to 1300cc, the Ford Laser Mazda 323, and you all could see the cars running like in the previous event. They have been given 2 familiarization laps to ensure that they are and with the draw, Nishan Dunuvila comes on pole. Then we have Tenuka Liyanarachi, Romesh Gunawardana, nice to see him back. Then we also have Upulwan Serasinghe. Then we have Kushan Piris, Lanka Dharmadasa, Anuradha Navaratna. So with the draw, things have completely changed. We have seen more or less all the top racing drivers right at the back at this moment. So this is their luck today, but I know with all their experiences, they are going to do something extremely different. So can Dunuvila, with the luck he had on competition number 129, can he retain his position? Competition number 129, Nishan Dunuvila, can he retain his position from the luck he has got through the draw? Then on competition number 2 or on grid 2 is number 91, Tenuka Liyanarachi, another top racing Ford Laser driver, and the luck has been in his favor getting on to grid 2, that is Tenuka Liyanarachi. Then we have number 54, correction, it's none other than Upulwan Serasinghe. There's plenty of racing hours behind him, and at one point we saw Upulwan and his son Devin taking part in the same class, but currently Devin is residing in Australia, so the father has to cover up both. Number 18, we have number 18, Anuradha Navaratna. Another promising racing driver all the way from Kandy. Well, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 cars competing in this event, who has come back strongly on a draw due to the bad weather conditions yesterday.
So some big names in this draw in Upulwan Serasinghe, Romesh Gunawardana, Akhila Di Costa, all competing in this race, but not at this pole position. At pole position was Nishan Dunuvila, and here we go. As number 91, Tenuka Liyanarachi manages to gain that lead over Nishan Dunuvila at the very beginning of the race.
Tony Mekanam Balanamon Taraka, Lakaya Ford Laser Nesta Satan Kalani, Premukata Satan Karwan Sinudana, the Rata Kolaki Kapella Gasmata, Avasana, E. Davasiti, Pavia, Pakala, Samaka, Bongi, Tarki, Palagar Nepo, and Sada Tundu Demi, Kusapat the Demi Tamastar Tora get to be Ankanu Eka, then Nukalianarachi, Gatti Takirmani with Martin Hill Panamin Tarki Kriatmane, Duvivala Patin Natuna, Men Palamu Samarambe. Tenuka Idrian, the Atarature, the Passapas in Damik Motors, a Goshan Paris, Hoda Avatirna, Target Fit, Hatarvanstani, the Pae Atarature, the Necratia, Paddy, Paddy, Tire, Visikamin, Target Kriatmani.
We see Nishan Dunuvila at second position slowing down. So Tenuka Liyanarachi managing to gain a massive lead of the rest of the drivers. Number 17, Lanka Dharmadasa, right behind Nishan Dunuvila, who started things off. So let's see how the likes of Kushan Piris, Anuradha Navaratna, and Upulwan Serasinghe do manage to catch up on this race.
Laser battle has begun, has always been one of the most interesting events in motor racing. I would rather say the Ford Laser Mazda, no matter it is a 1300 or no matter it is the 1500, but here things are changing. It is really challenging for all the competitors. They are born to perform, and these are the racers in the fast lanes at the gun area, min area Gunners Supercross 2025.
Tenuka Liyanarachi Idrian, then Devana Thanata, Kushan Piris Pemina, you could not even Havanastani or the Heavy Casey with an Etik, Nishan Dunuvila, Devanastani Hidia, Nishan Dunuvila had a Passapasin, Etekamo, Rati, Watamu, the Duvala Matu with Tivuna, Namutziel, then Dumbala Matu with Tivuna, then Namati, Duvala. Passapasin Anki Sivisina, Nishan Dunuvila, Tunmanastani, Tenuka Liyanarachi Idrian, Kushan Pirista, Devanatana, Namut Tenuka Kusana, Diku Parko.
the one and only representation from Mavanella. We could see Ahmad Sharfan coming in 5th place. A good driver we have seen on the SLH class and the SLS class. But unfortunately, though, the draw coming in place, Ahmad Sharfan currently holding on to 5th position, and we could see uphill it's going on double yellow flags, giving a caution to all the competitors, because we could see there is a heavy ditch that is being dug up with the cars rolling back to back with their speeds. So the double flags on to ensure that the drivers will be much more cautious on the uphill corner.
රමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධන තරගයේ සෑහෙන පසුපසින් මේ ඉදිරියෙන් තෙනකොළියන රච්චි ඉදිරියේ ගැටිත්තක් නිර්මාණය වී තිබෙනවා බෑවුම සමග කන්ද තරණය කරන ශීඝ්‍ර වාංගුවේදී ඒ නිසා ඒ පිළිබඳව සංඥාවක් ලබා දෙනවා කහ පැහැති දජ දෙකක් නිරතුරුව ලලිත් කිරින්දේ ඒතකම මුල්වන් සේනසිංහ රමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධන සියලු ප්‍රබල තරගකරුවන් පසුපසින්
Ramesh Gunawardena in 4th place at the moment, right behind Nishan Dunuvilla, who is fading slowly. Let's hope that Nishan Dunuvilla manages to get things straight in this very important race. Whereas we have Thenukali and Arachi managing to extend and comprehend on that lead that he gained at the initial parts of the race. If things do go on in a uniform manner, it will be Thenukali and Arachi on top.
But all in all, number 91, Thenukali Lianarachi, who was second on the grid, has managed to secure, and he is on a comfortable run right in the lead with no pressure whatsoever. And Kushan Peer is improving every lap and getting closer to Thenukali Lianarachi. So Kushan Peer is one of the top racing drivers in this country, starting off with the Nissan Martyrs, Super Fico, SLH 1600, going all the way up to the SLGT, and then downgrading himself, and he is very happy and contented in running the 4th days of Masters. So it's all happening here at the Asia Paint Causeway Gunners Supercross 2025. Once again back into the danger area with double yellows coming in place. Number 91, Thenukali Lianarachi taking the lead with Kushan Peris second in place.
Right now, all the pressure is on Nishan Dunuvilla. He started the race at pole position and he's gaining very good battle at 3rd position by Ramesh Gunawardena, and he's being threatened to the max by Ramesh Gunawardena, the experienced driver.
And in 4th place, it is none other than Ramesh Gunawardena, another top racing driver from St. Peter's College. So he has been proving himself, Ramesh Gunawardena. So what a race it is turning out to be, still with Thenukali Lianarachi leading the race, followed by Kushan Peris in 2nd place, and competition number 129, Nishan Dunuvilla coming running in 3rd place as at now, competition number 129. In 4th place, it is Ramesh Gunawardena, and in 5th place, it is none other than Ahmad Sharfan, the only competitor who is representing the Mavanella locality. All the way from Mavanella, Sharfan, we would see him in the faster events as well.
තුන්වන ස්ථානයේ විදිහට ප්‍රබල සටනක නිරත වෙනවා නිෂාන් දුනවිලට එරෙහිව මේ වන විට රමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධන කුෂාන් පීරිස් හොඳ ආක්‍රමණයක් සිදු කළා. පසුපස ස්ථානයක සිට දෙවන ස්ථානය දක්වා පැමිණ තිබෙනවා. නමුත් ඒ වන විට තෙනකුලිය ලියනරච්චි පැහැදිලි පරතරයක් නිර්මාණය කොට අවසන් තරගවටේ ක්‍රියාත්මක වන්නේ. ඒ නිසා තරගයේ ප්‍රථම දෙවන ස්ථානවල වෙනසක් බලාපොරොත්තු විය නොහැකි. නමුත් නිෂාන් දුනවිලත් රමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධනත් සෑහෙන අර්ගලයක තුන්වන ස්ථානය නිර්මාණය කර ගැනීම සඳහා දැනට තුන්වන දුනවිල වෙනි ජයග්‍රාහකයා තෙනුක ලියනරච්චි දෙවන ස්ථානය කුෂාන් පීරිස් ඉන් අනතුරුව ගුණවර්ධනටද දුනවිලටද දුනවිල ඉදිරියෙන් ගුණවර්ධන පසුපසින් තරගයේ ක්‍රියාත්මක පවතින ආකාරය දකින්න පුළුවන්. ඒ අනුව තරගයේ තුන්වන ස්ථානය නිෂාන් දුනවිල තමන් සතු කර ගනිද්දී 4වන ස්ථානය රමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධනට පස්වැන්නා තරගාංක 104න් අහමඩ් සෆාර්.
Well, also we got some happy news internationally. The lone girl from Sri Lanka, Hesali Peris, joining with the boys in India, coming into 4th place. So that indeed is a proud moment for all the Sri Lankans here. The one and only girl who has proven herself in what riding she is. Having said so, number 91, Thenukali Lianarachi, driving himself with Kushan Peris to the awards presentation area of the victorious event in this Ford Laser Mazda of 2300cc.
These are the highlights of the race as Thenukali and Arachi managed to gain that initial position from Nishan Dunuvilla, who started things off in this race. Nishan Dunuvilla gradually slipped to third place, having started off at first position. The lead that Thenukali and Arachi managed to build in the initial part of the race, it was him that capitalized. He managed to stretch and stretch on that lead, but somehow number 37, Kushan Piris, managed to close in on that lead, but by then it was way too late as Thenukali and Arachi was well ahead of the rest of the drivers.
මිනිශාන් දුනුවිල සරමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධන අතර සටන. කිසිදු සටනක් නොතිබුණු තෙනුකුලිය ආරච්චි. ඒ කියන්නේ ආරම්භයේදී සියලු දෙනා සමීප පරතරයෙන් තබාගෙන තමයි ක්‍රියාත්මක කළේ. නමුත් කුෂාන් පීරිස් සටනේ සෑහෙන ප්‍රගතියක් අත්පත් කරගත් තරම් කරුවා. පසුපසින් සිට හොඳ ආක්‍රමණයක් රැසකකින් පසුව තෙනුකුලිය ආරච්චිට ළඟා වෙමින් සිටියා. සමීප වෙමින් සිටියා. නමුත් දෙවන ස්ථානයෙන් සෑහෙන පත් කරන සිදු වුණා. නිශාන් දුන්නවිල රොමේෂ් ගුණවර්ධනගේ අභියෝගයට බැඳ වුණා. නමුත් ඔහු එස්දා ඊඩකඩ ලබා දුන්නා. ජයග්‍රාහකයා තෙනුකුලිය ආරච්චි දෙවැන්න ඒ කුෂාන් පීරිස් තුන්වන ස්ථානය නිශාන් දුන්නවිලට.
Well,